If you're trying to create a job application form with resume upload in under 3 minutes, you're in the right place. I've tested the most popular form builders out there, and by the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional job application form, plus access to an exclusive free trial of the software I personally recommend, available only to viewers of my channel. Let's jump right into it. First, sign up using the link in the description to activate your free trial. Once you're in the dashboard, hit Create New Form. Name your form something like Job Application and choose a blank template to start fresh. Now, drag in the essential fields: full name, email, and phone number. These are your core contact details. Then add a short text field labeled Position you're applying for and a paragraph field for cover letter or additional notes. Now for the key part. Scroll to the file upload element and drag it onto your form. Rename it to Upload Your Resume and enable file type restrictions so applicants can only upload PDFs, docs, or docxs. You can also set a max file size limit here. I usually keep it under 10 MB to avoid large uploads. Next, go to the settings and enable email notifications. That way, every time someone applies, you'll get their application and resume directly in your inbox. You'll also want to connect this form to Google Drive or your email service if you're collecting lots of submissions. Most form builders, including the software we're using, offer easy integrations for this. Now hit Publish and grab your form's link. You can embed this form on your website, share it on job boards, or send it directly to applicants. If you want to make your form more professional, go into the design settings. You can match your brand colors, add your logo, and even include a brief description of the company or the role at the top of the form. Just don't overdo it. Clarity is more important than looking fancy. Here's the key takeaway. Creating a job application form with resume upload doesn't need to be complicated. With the right software, you can have a clean, functional form live in under 3 minutes, saving you hours of back and forth with applicants. To quickly recap, 1. Start with a blank form. 2. Add contact and job-specific fields. 3. Include a resume upload with file restrictions. 4. Set up email alerts and integrations. 5. Publish and share your form. Before you go, don't forget to check the description and grab the exclusive free trial to the software we used. It's only available to viewers of Dan Thorne's channel and gives you everything you need to follow along step by step. Thanks for watching. Now go make that form and start collecting applications the smart way.